We have made it. I have survived the road trip to Puerto Escondido. It was rough. Not feeling 100%. I've already changed into my swimsuit because it's a beach town. We are gonna have some fun at the beach to kind of like round out my Mexico trip. So oh yeah, this is like warm bath water. We kind of spent the afternoon kind of just drinking by the pool here at the hotel because it was raining. So we're gonna go to dinner and then to the club across the street. First night in Puerto Escondido, feeling good. What's the point of going to a beach town without going to the beach? Our guide recommended Playa Carrizalillo. A few people went surfing, the rest of us just enjoyed laying on the beach and swimming. This was easily the best beach I've been to in many, many years, and I'm really happy our guide suggested this one. We spent most of the day on the beach, but headed to a different beach for sea turtles. They explained the conservation efforts of the organization, why they do what they do, and how to release the turtles. The turtles were so cute, and we watched them until they made it into the ocean. I think mine's gonna hit the water first. Yeah! All of the turtles did attract some birds, so there were kids along the shoreline throwing clumps of sand at the birds, but a few definitely got a baby turtle snack. There was one more taxi ride, this time to a lagoon. Okay, now I need to pop in here and just kind of wrap up the video because there's no more footage of what happened the rest of the day. There is a lagoon in Puerto Escondido that has bioluminescent plankton, and that's what we went to go see. And unfortunately, I did not capture that experience because the images that you would see online of this, one are probably taken during like optimal conditions and with nice cameras, both of which I did not have. So yeah, every time I tried to kind of get the shimmer that we were seeing, it was just kind of black on the footage. So yeah, a few of us did jump into the lagoon to swim around. I did not because I had a pretty big cut on my arm from a few days earlier, and it was like borderline getting infected, so I figured swimming in a lagoon with bioluminescent plankton probably wouldn't have helped it. So I stayed in the boat. So, yeah, that was kind of the end of the day and really the end of my entire time in Puerto Escondido. The next morning, I headed to the airport and hopped on a plane back to Mexico City. So, yeah, end of this video, too, I guess. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I'll be back with another one soon. Bye.